Hey there, Andy Fry from Pronto Tax School. I want to show you one of the main benefits of being a Pronto Tax School member is that you get three updates of your update course per year. So I just want to make a quick video to show you how to take advantage of this feature of our course. So you're going to see here the release dates. So we have an early version release that comes out July 1st, right? And we're going to have a bunch of tax changes, as you know, happen over the summer, right? So that's why we do version 2, which is September 15th. And then the version 3 is going to be January of the next year, right before tax season. So those are the three times that the update course gets updated. And this is what allows you to feel like heading into those critical seasons that you have the latest information, you have the latest insights that you need to know for your clients, right? So let me show you how this works in real life. So we just posted, for example, yesterday, the version 2 update. So imagine that you've already completed the update course by now, right? You've already gone through, you did the version 1 course. What we do is we try to make it very easy in the later versions to see what has changed. And the way that we do that is, let me show you here, we add in red ink, and then we also put a star right here next to the change. So as you go through the textbook, this lets somebody, for example, that you've already done the course, right? And you want to see, hey, let me look at just at what changed, the things that changed. You can quickly scan through here and see, okay, here's something that changed. Here's something that is new from the last version. And what that's going to do is just help you to really quickly see, okay, these are the changes, and get an idea of when those changes happened during the year. So I'm not aware of any other course platform that offers this, and we hope you take full advantage of it. If you have any questions about how to use it, how to get the latest updates, also keep in mind that we do a monthly webinar for our members every month, going through all the new changes for that month. So that's another way to keep updated with Pronto Tax School. Hope this helps, and we'll talk to you soon.